you been spending your pocket money on? Boomerangs that don't work? When's the last time that you moved your neck like a neck? If you're always having neck stiffness, you want to move your neck, again, like a neck. Because what is your body learning when you're doing that? Absolutely nothing, that's right. So, from here what Jenny's going to do is take her head and she's going to lean it over to her left side. She's going to pull the shoulders down as much as she can, even if she wants to, because she's on a box here, she can use these arms to anchor down even further. Then when she's here, with a slight lateral tilt, she's going to go, yes. Yes, Tom, you're completely right. I will never waste my money on silly things like that ever again. That's right. So up and down 10 times. What this does effectively is decompresses your discs in your neck on this side, compresses them slightly on this side, but opens everything up. But you're also going to build strength as you do this because you're using the muscles to move your spine. So from there, we're then going to do some nose. So Jenny's going to tilt her head to the shoulder, tilt her head to the sky. So she's definitely never going to buy one of those again, is she? No, she's not, okay? So first one is yes, second one is no, and she's going to the left first, then she goes to the right. The whole time she's doing this, she's keeping the breathing relaxed the whole time. So it's, as she's doing this, to relax the neck muscles, pull the shoulder down from the side that you're sort of leaning your head away from, and that is going to really intensify the stretch. So it's 10 yeses, 10 no's on the left, 10 yeses, 10 no's on the right. Then after that, move your shoulders like shoulders. So Jenny's going to do some nice rotations here. Get as much range as you can. Don't just sort of move a little bit. Try and get as much as you can up into the ears. Even squeeze your own head into your own shoulders. And then bring it down nice and slow, and try and make nice controlled circles as you do this. If this feels crunchy and grindy, you need to do it every day until that starts to lessen, okay? It's not normal to have crunchy, grindy shoulders or a crunchy, grindy neck. The more you do these exercises, the less you will notice that happen to you, okay? So don't freak out if it's happening. Just don't really try and force the range and go as far as you can. Decrease the range a little bit. Do these daily until your neck starts to feel a lot better, and over time you'll start to notice that you have a lot less issues with your neck and things just feel absolutely incredible, because a lot of people don't turn their head at all unless they're like crossing a road. And if there's only cars ever coming in one direction, you could eventually just stand up, turn your head to the left for about 20 years, and then you'll have to walk around like this.